All my ladies bend down. Anytime we touch down, I dey guarantee to shut the club down. Hey, Baba, them they call me Baba. Them they want me to run down. All of my ladies bow down. Murderer, they be calling me murderer.
So we go give her name now.
Let him Wasa. The Wasa dance.
You go say Wasa.
They go use what I do with that.
No.
Which I do Wasa like this now. Not what I do with this.
You carry your leg up now.
No, but I'm not doing like this now.
I don't know this Neru again. Neru, I don't used to know you again.
Anyway, when I welcome
Peter deny Jesus 3 times. I told me make you deny somebody.
My sister, I deny you on that one.
Hi, God. Oh my God.
When I welcome back on Sunday Night Show, in case you just join us, we dey discuss matter when it say concern guy and babe when they say one marry. The guy mama talk say they must do the wedding for Catholic, and then the boy mama talk say they must do for Pentecostal, being say them they attend Redeemed Church. Now then too now their confusion don't carry mat, carry pillow, sleep on top their head. They don't know what to do now.
The boy and
the boy and the girl. Then too now come talk say if be like say what them go do and now make them just jeje do court wedding and traditional. Then stay.
And they know say
make it begin colors until they decide until the decision because it's a present continuous participle.
Present no, and you don't participate anymore. I mean you don't now.
Now.
Past, present, continuous now.
Now, that is say you not go get out.
I go get out now. It's me.
Anyway, in case you want to join us. Now waiting we discuss with that, but we got guests for inside studio. 1 guest, 2 guests,
3 guests,
3 guests. But this are not 2 guests now we get for inside studio. 2 Ogbonge people.
One black and white, and one
color TV. By my left, her name now Moyo.
Keep quiet there.
You know what I want.
Keep quiet there. Is it? You know, say you get something when they do. Anytime color TV enter studio. I don't know.
You never understand why. The whole world.
I don't know.
The whole world now understand why. Please come. I'm coming. Kasim, sit down.
I know they sit down. Please come. My dear, I know they sit down. Now we see what you want to do today.
Please come. Come like this.
Oh shit.
Una don't see her. Una welcome. This is why. My brother tell me you will not forget your wife and answer her name. Sit down here.
That's why I keep you space. That's why I don't go sit down. My brother.
Wonderful us welcome Moyo Lawal. Moyo Lawal is an actress, artist, actor. She act film and plenty other things where she take the do.
And plenty other which kind of plenty other things?
You go ask her. She
I don't know. I want to ask her, you don't marry?
Not yet.
We got a phone call.
Don't look at me.
It's all your eyeglass.
No, we ain't
cover this your eyeglass. When we see where your eyeglass.
For me look at me now.
Cover your eyeglass.
Easy bit. You know what I make me not like you.
Yes.
You know the ways own up.
Well, the thing is that when I don't look at him, you will say I look at him. If I look at him, you know.
Cover your eyeglass. Man will know where your eye go there now.
Apart from Moyo Lawal, we also get my own Oga Yinka there for Inside Studio. Oga Yinka now, one of the Ogas that when we say there for AVF, audio visual first crew, and them arrange. Then they talk about one movie.
No be that medicine for HIV, AVF.
No be.
No so now. AVF.
Is it bit? People get HIV. Which means the medicine?
Not be antiretroviral drugs, not be.
Okay, antiretroviral. Okay. Why are you taking one?
I don't know. Give me 5. Give me some bam in I don't know. Are you with me in the face?
I'm not with you.
Anyway, then today for Inside Studio, thank you for come discuss matter we concern the movies when they be say go come out very very soon. 2 movies.
They do how many movies?
4 movies. Okay, tell us. What in Carona come?
Okay, basically we start this initiative. We call them 15 Naira Story Initiative. Now, yes, what is 15 Naira Story Initiative?
Okay.
We do small research, find out say 50 Naira, 70% of Nigerians they willing to part with to watch movie.
50 Naira?
Yes.
Wow.
Now, I'm talking 70%, no be the remaining 30% of people like you.
No?
We did research.
research.
Now, 50 Naira is how much you go carry go video club, rent movie, go house watch am.
Go sit down.
And that is how 70% of Nigerians they watch movie.
Okay.
Now, when we dey Lagos, we always dey think say Lagos na 100% of Nigerians. Remember, say people dey Kotangora, dey Niger Delta Creek, they don't get access to the things where we get access to here.
Yes.
So because we can't realize say that at the entry level, we can't design this 15 story initiative. In a year, we won't do 18 movies.
18 movies.
18 movies.
Okay.
We've done the first 4, and we're premiering this Sunday.
The 4 of them.
4 at the same time. Never been
Premiere
done
all
before.
of them at the same
all
time.
4
Wow.
will be showing simultaneously.
No, because premiere movie, where they know only one, then they do. So now the first time when they say no good premiere movie 4 at the same time. What if this movie is when they premiere on Sunday?
Okay, one is
This Sunday where they come so.
yes, this Sunday.
Okay.
Night for Sex.
Night for. Hey, I asked for that one. Now make an injection, give one man make you die. A woman make you die. He won't pay. Now me and her plan. That movie she titled with my brother, which I sick. She don't wear anything.
How you tell me say she don't wear anything?
Oh my God! My eye full that day. I just buy the 4. Action! Let's do action. Sorry. Continue.
Then the other one are Beneath Her Veil.
Beneath Her Veil, okay.
Where Does Beauty Go?
Okay.
And 1 Minute Man.
Who put the people waiting for start for the Night for Sex?
No, the same people.
Different people.
Okay.
Night for Sex, of course, we have Moyo. We have
Kalu.
Kalu Ikegu.
We have Mary Remy.
Mary Remy.
Njoko.
Njoko. Okay.
We have you.
They ask me. They ask me.
Mary Lazarus.
Mary Lazarus.
Okay.
Wale Robber.
Yes, Wale Robber.
Okay. Okay. Then the other one Beneath Her Veil.
Beneath Her Veil, again.
Moyo dey inside.
Moyo. We have
Peggy
Enoho.
Okay.
We have Wole Ojo.
Okay, Walojo.
We have Tina Mba.
Tina Mba.
We have Olumide Bakare.
Okay.
Who else we have in?
We have Kalu.
Kalu
as well.
as well.
Yeah.
And then for Where Does Beauty Go?
Where does Beauty go? We have a Claron.
Claren. We
Clarence
have
Chukura.
Claren.
Yeah.
Clarence Peter her mother.
Yes.
Where Shina Peter's block for after show one day that time. After they go show that Shina Peter's come block and forgot. Anyway, continue.
Tony Umez.
Tony Umez, that guy see the acting.
Yes.
That guy can act mumu in eye. No, they use his head for movie. Wait. In mumu button, they didn't watch him.
Jazz
Hey,
can
they
quick
don't
catch
praise
up.
him.
Then they play the watch him.
They didn't match him.
Tony Umez, Clarence Chukura.
Kule Koka.
Kule Koka.
Okay.
Abiola Williams.
Yes,
You can
Abiola
see a
Williams.
picture for here.
Yes.
And then the other one, now which one again?
1 Minute Man.
1 minute. Hey! Easy beat, you know them.
No.
How now?
So who be the play the 1 minute man?
Sean Akindele.
We have one with Seun Akindele.
Okay.
We have Tomi Odusi.
Okay.
We have quite a number of new
Okay.
faces.
Okay.
Tomi Odusi. We have who else? Rose. They're a bit new.
Okay.
Okay,
It's
so you
part
they
of the
use new
initiative.
faces.
It's also to
Yes.
introduce new faces as well.
Okay. Now this you
Then we have Mr. Tinsel himself,
Mr. Victor.
Victor Light.
Okay, Victor Lighton.
Okay.
If you give us small short story because we'll not get the video of the trailer. Tomorrow we'll go show now the video. Man, not very say we'll not show now the video. Some can valap tooth in the Hengus Bangus. Arrange take happen. I make we not duvet the video.
In other words, you meet okay, any some occurrence they get on the road to Damascus. Eke boy take me translate me boy some me machine. Man, we can all come for now. The thing say about on paper.
Yes.
So now I ban through, and you know the reason why I do subtraction and take away. You know plus for me.
The LCM.
That's it.
You know,
So,
so that is the reason. But anyway, if you give us small short story about these 4 movies.
You want to talk about
Okay, let me start with Benita Film. Benita Film. Now, story with it about young people.
Okay.
Challenges we face concerning marriage, you know, family pressure, you know, that kind of thing. Your family will go talk, say, you get money, waiting remain
Go
now.
marry.
You go marry. You go come marry, problem go come start. You know that kind of thing. Now your friend go they like your husband. Problem
they
go
hide
dey.
your husband
Now
from your
so,
friend.
now so they see am.
Boy, the people they talk. Who you be?
Continue.
When mama pressure day, mama na witch. Everybody get their own problem, one place or the other. The husband, my papa self.
Be like say you cry inside the film. I see
cry,
your
oh.
affairs.
Aye.
This you are sweat first now.
I cry plenty inside this film. Oh.
So people go pity you if they watch
I
am.
suffer for this film, man.
Hey.
Hey.
Don't mind
Don't
them.
nearly dey cry for here now. Just is a bit just quiet. Is it bit I can see you?
Like say they just hold.
Let me tell you something. Ndị Igbo na-asị, ụkwụ na-aga wam, anya na-aga wam now here. The leg that is going wam, the eye that is going wam is seeing it. Continue.
So, generally, na thing we concern, you know, young people now, generally, na young people
the struggle,
film.
social issues.
Yeah,
young people
na
film.
young people film. But, wahala dey inside that film, oh. I cry, no be small. See the kind of wahala I
You
face,
marry for the film?
if you know wetin,
You marry?
you know wetin they do.
You know
me for that
marrying.
film.
Wetin they do you?
Divorce me for that.
Hey! Why they divorce you? What do you do? You know?
Wetin?
Now hand that they clap.
Hey.
That's enough to clap hand again.
I don't know. We clap am 3
I
times.
just they clap
Anything when
hand.
they happen 3 times. Peter deny Jesus 3 times. The cock crow 3 times. I don't know about 3 times.
Are you-
Ndi, I'm okay about 3 times.
A night for sex. Give us a short story about a night. I don't know if you give us a story about nights for sex.
Yeah, she was in it, so...
Night for sex too, na story.
So you just they enter this film anyhow. So all the 4 film now you
My
dey inside.
sister,
I know this-
if you see wetin this girl carry, you not go put her for film everywhere.
Me yours waka pass.
Anyway, from Wari, good evening, Biko.
Good
Edwin,
evening.
she never
It's
marry you.
marketing.
How is you, my brother?
Are they fine? Oh,
What make you call?
What make you call?
in fact, now the other one, Mr. Affairs, they talk now. Me call. Oh,
What if
something.
I bet what you go advise those two?
The truth for the matter be say, if you look the thing where according to what people talk,
Yes.
now woman side, now they first go, now they go do marriage.
Okay.
Say when you conclude finish, now the man side will come continue,
Okay.
don't marry.
Okay.
But one thing I go see for the matter be say, the thing still fall down to that word where they talk say for better for best.
For
For better for what? So yeah, me.
what? So beg no dey.
Oh yeah,
That for
Edwin.
better for best, now wrong word now. Because this is the time for the better for worse. So it's left for the two of them to conclude. Because this is the worst time
Okay.
to make decision.
Okay.
So the word for better for best for corner. Now for better for worse. So let the two of them make their decision. Leave Papa and Mama for corner.
Okay.
So don't live their own life. If they do conclude in a Catholic church, may they go Catholic. If
Okay.
they say the other Pentecostal, may they go Pentecostal.
Okay.
Good one.
Okay.
That's what I say.
All right. Thank you very much, Edwin from Warwick. Good evening. Thank you very much. Now, Moyo, back to you. In Night for Sex, they give us stories, short stories, just small thing about Night for Sex.
Yes. Night for sex.
Why they call them a night for sex?
I don't know.
A night for wiping, then wipe for the film.
No wiping, no.
How? So why they call them night for wiping?
I don't know.
Because it was a night about it.
Oh, now they go, you go dance, go front, dance, come back, dance, go front, dance, go
now you
back.
come with the
Come
film.
wipe the wipe now.
We don't wipe anything, please.
Anyway, from Ajegule, good evening.
Mediguri.
Meduguri, hell, I say Ajegule. Meduguri, good evening. From Meduguri, Fatia. Fatia.
Okay, TV.
Fatia, da Allah, kina ji na ko kina ji na? Fatia, kina ji na? Fatia.
Aba mo Fatia, meda kisan.
He don't quit. Fatia, he don't quit. He don't quit. Da Allah, Fatia, if you calling me back, make it sure. Make it very, very sure. Says the TV, the volume, we don't come
Exactly.
Now, a night for sex, quickly, for 1 minute, night for sex.
Everything but the sex happen.
Well, I wouldn't say... Maybe we doesn't want to let out fully.
The fully
Yeah.
you say,
But it was truly...
If now all this film when
A
you call
night.
yours now.
for sex,
yes.
about sex.
Everything that happened in the movie happened in one night.
Okay, everything will happen at one night.
One night.
9 people go one see pass. All this one.
Just
than this one.
imagine a story where a man,
Eh.
where they catch, where they do something with another woman. Everything for one night. The other mistress, come. The girlfriend, come. All of them, they meet for one night. Imagine waiting go happen that night.
Oh,
Na
now
night
you
for
come
sex.
call me, make I come bring injection.
You know say you be bad person. Now you come kill person. So
anyway,
this foolish man, they inside there.
Waiting the other things where people need to know about this 15 Naira story project where they don't know. Where
and
you
how
want me
long
to know?
is the 15 Naira?
It's going to go on.
Okay.
Years to come. Because what we want to do with them is, apart from say we they bring movies to cinemas and to people everywhere.
Yes.
We want to make people, whether you day in Ilorin, for instance, we they go premiere this thing for Ilorin. People for Ilorin know they watch cinema, reach people for Lagos.
Yes.
They don't want to enjoy cinema experience.
Okay.
So 15 Naira story, they take cinema
to the grassroots.
to the grassroots.
Da, for the politician.
People when they come, this movie is good at cinema.
Yes. They
So
do.
now 15 Naira they go pay to take watch them. No, I said that.
No, yes.
No, it's not 15 Naira. It's not 15 Naira.
It's not 15 Naira. Okay.
Yeah.
Ido from Port Harcourt, quickly. Good evening.
No, but this is in the premiere way, Island or mainland.
We're premiering, this premiere is happening
Ido?
at Apapa.
Okay.
Hello?
Good evening, Ido. How you doing?
Okay,
Yeah, good evening.
What do you get to talk this evening?
Yeah, I just want to chip in something about the marriage issue people are talking
Okay,
about.
thank you very much. Would I hear you?
Yeah, you see, the marriage stuff,
Yes.
church wedding of 15 is a kind of a
Borrowed culture.
You understand? As far as the both parents have agreed for their wedding, I think they should go ahead.
Okay.
I forget the church wedding.
Okay.
You know, God will lead them.
Okay.
You know, that's my contribution.
All right. Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you very much. Now,
No.
hello, good evening. Our last caller this evening, Evelyn from Kano. Evelyn, no, in from Bayelsa. Okay. Evelyn from Kano. Hello? Hello?
Evelyn.
Okay, Evelyn, thank you very much. No more calls, I beg, no more calls. No more calls. Now, quickly, before we carry our more for
Did they
studio.
carry this thing go Papa, you know?
Well, no, not for Papa, not the premiere.
The first premiere on the 10th, it happened for Apapa.
Okay.
More. Film One Cinema.
Okay.
For Apapa.
Okay.
Sunday.
From there, on this Sunday.
Okay.
But from there, they go everywhere.
Every other places.
Yes. Everywhere
Okay.
cinema day. From Ilorin, Ibadan, Enugu, they carry and go.
Everywhere with cinema day.
Everywhere
If people
cinema
want to come watch the premiere of that movie, how they go take come?
Did they pay anything?
They need to go for our website.
Website, okay.
If it fill some information, then they go fit download the ticket.
The ticket.
Or we fit.
Okay,
They
of
fit
course.
come win
Of course.
some tickets.
Well, would they give out 10 tickets? Would they give out 10 tickets? And 10 tickets for the different four movies when they be say go premiere on Sunday. Now they give out so
tomorrow we could ask on a question.
Tomorrow.
If una ear day down and una listen to everything.
Tomorrow
in this place.
we go play the trailers, some short something of the movies. We go plan. We go ask on a question. Anybody will get
Some
up.
question about we go auction.
But today, because of Color TV day here, we will give 2 tickets away today. Make I ask una, what will be her name? If you answer what will be her name, sign up for our Twitter handle @WNight Show. We will give you tickets. Then if you did
The
Lagos
first
here,
2 people.
the first 2 people.
If you dey Lagos like this.
If you dey Lagos, you go get them. But for tomorrow, we will give the remaining 8 tickets. Make una fit come watch these movies. This movie, I'm not gonna lie, give you is sweet.
And they do the inside.
And I did. Oh my God! What's up? This movie is going to be a Valaptut Zengus. Now, for those who want to follow you on top Instagram, what will be your handle for Instagram, Twitter?
Moyo Lawal official.
Moyo Lawal official.
Moyo Lawal Twitter.
Twitter.
Moyo Lawal Facebook.
Okay, Yinka, I'm not sure say you did Instagram.
No, I'm
No,
not.
you go find.
Anyway, double toilet all of now we follow us
You
talk
go
this
open
evening.
account for them by
we call us. Before then go follow us. Do what's up?
know,
Before
ask
Kariwa
you
can
for
come for
any
that studio. Easy bit, give us.
Represent us.
Hey, you gonna do what? Come. Man, hold on, wait.
How you not go show?
Man, show you see him. What's up? You got carry one leg up. Come do. 1, 2, go. What's up? No, you got to see him. What's up? You got carry one leg up. Come on, again.
They do how you go carry one leg up. See
Hey, what's up? Hey, Jesus. What you gonna do now? What's up? Hey,
you cannot look. You don't go sleep at.
Hey! I have bought our own. Let's go.
Left leg. Okay.
Change the music. Change the music. We don't like this song. Change the music. Onye Gabebu. They spoil our ginger.
Oh!
They make our blood go down now.